Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you all safety features installed in this car. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's doors. The car is equipped with automatic side rearview mirrors deep in reverse gear, thanks to which you can see better the curb. Next, in the center of the driving doors, you can find quick switch for lock and unlock, automatic rear view mirror folding, and child lock for windows. Behind the left side of the steering wheel you can find parking brake, which is electric, trunk, remote opening, and fuel filler remote opening. Car is equipped with cruise control, speed limiter, and rain sensing wipers. If you take a look in the center of the car, right here we've got parking sensors activation and eco mode. Now let's take a look at the screen display. If we go to menu, My S60, here you can enable DSTC, city safety, and active bending lights. In Drive E you can manage start-stop system, and in settings you can manage driver support system and car settings like automatic locks, unlocks, side mirror settings, and light settings like approach light duration, home safe light duration, and more. The car is also equipped with multiple airbags. In standard there are 6, but can be up to 7. In the end, the car has ISOFIX latches on 2 outer seats. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.